Welcome to Clemens Hall. Clemens is part of St. Louis University's Griesedieck complex, which also includes Griesedieck and Walsh halls. Clemens Hall was the first student housing to be built at SLU, but it's also among the most recently renovated. One of the first things you may hear about Clemens Hall is that it has a Starbucks on its ground floor, but there are lots of other reasons to get excited about living here. Walsh, Clemens, and Griesedieck have a shared entrance on the second floor of Griesedieck Hall. Inside, you'll find yourself in a lobby with pool tables, other gaming activities, and vending machines. You'll also find a classroom on this floor and a 24-hour security desk. The complex has a second entrance and security desk near the free communal laundry facilities at the rear of the building. Clemens includes upgrades like LED lighting, updated communal bathrooms and shower rooms, plus new lounges that are gathering places to watch TV, study, and more. There is shared access to a kitchen and a chapel, as well as bike racks outside the building. Let's take a look at the floor plan. In Clemens Hall, there is one basic floor plan that can be set for either single or double occupancy. So what's in the room? The beds have extra long memory foam mattresses and can be bunked, lifted, or lofted for more space. When the room is shared, the beds come bunked. The room also comes with dresser units that can be stacked or tucked under the bed, nightstands, desks, and desk chairs. Each room has an open closet with an adjustable rod. If you have a roommate, the closet is shared. There is also a sink with a medicine cabinet and a window air conditioning unit located in each room. So, what can you do with the space? Let's look at one common way to set the room up. The bed or bunk bed with the dresser at the end can go on one wall along with a desk. A second desk can be placed on the wall with a door. Two dresser units can be stacked or fit individually under the bed. Nightstands with 3 drawers can fit in the closet to create more floor space, or can fit in several places around the room. One thing to keep in mind is that the sink and medicine cabinet are fixed in place, so while you can move the furniture, you'll need to plan around the sink. There isn't room in this floor plan for a futon, which just means there's less to pack on moving day, but most Clemens students find a way to make the room their own by taking advantage of vertical space and bringing decor like rugs, lamps, wall hangings, and more. Many students work with a university partner to take advantage of rental options like mini-fridge microwave units that will be there when you arrive on move-in day. Don't worry about bringing blinds. Those come with the room. Remember that individual dimensions of rooms may vary, and check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? Clemens Hall stays open over Thanksgiving, winter, and spring breaks. There is lots of parking close by, including the Laclede parking garage. Popular campus spots like Bush Student Center, Grand Dining Hall, Career Services, Simon Rec, and Pius Memorial Library are literally just steps away. We can't wait to welcome you to Clemens Hall. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.